FOM Technologies stems from the Danish Technical University. We are a spin-off design and manufacture company that makes laboratory devices, machinery for printing and coating organic functional materials. At FOM we design and make large printing machinery that can be used for various applications. We are focused on organic solar cells, but our equipment is also used on OLED manufacturing and fuel cell devices. It's mainly used for small-scale and large-scale laboratory experiments, but also has the capacity to be used in manufacturing. We focus on making large-scale, pilot-scale machines for researchers. Our machines are highly adaptable, so we found from years of experience that working with scientists, machines needs to be adaptable. So that's our focus, to make equipment that can be changed rapidly and fairly cost low, so that once the research develops, it can take a turn without having a large cost on the researchers. Recently we installed a very large line that was specifically made for coating organic solar cells at the Printing Electronics Arena in Linköping University in Sweden. And this machine is the next generation of printing equipment for organic solar cells. The machine is unique in its data logging capability. We found early on in our startup that the ability to be able to log every single minute change and result on the machine is very important to the researchers. So we focused on developing this part of the laboratory machinery. The result is very positive. Already within the first 6 months, the researchers has redeveloped our machine, added on new types of measuring equipments, and that's the bonus of our platform, is that it is open source, so it's very easy for people to make their own adaptation and measuring devices on the machine. The most important part of being able to data log is obviously to be able to track with high accuracy the research that you're committing, so that none of the data that is obtained in the machine, being drying or speed or coating layers or all sorts of parameters, are saved and kept in a safe manner, so that the researcher can focus on other things and at a later stage return to their research data to develop from there. It's also very important for the researchers to be able to return to the starting point if something happens or if the day ends without having finished, that they are very easily able to track their research and return to it often, even with many breaks, without it changing the various parameters in their work. The potential of our new large roll-to-roll coating machine is obviously to take it on to the next step, which will be pre-fabrication or pre-industrialization of the research result. And this the machine is already capable of. So once the researcher has reached his desired level of experience, he's able to transform his results into actual production. And that's the potential of what we have. If you were an investor, you should contact us, come visit our production facility, see the laboratories, and witness the next generation of manufacturing capability in organic solar cells, fuel cells, and lighting. FOM Technologies has offices in China and in Brazil, and obviously in Copenhagen, north of Copenhagen at the Danish Technical University, and at the National Center for Renewable Energies at Risø in Roskilde. But we have dealers all over the world that sell our equipment, as far as in Africa and South America, Asia, and in Europe.